Hi everyone. Hey, I wanted to do a video on this. Super fun. It is an unboxing video. See, like the box. So, it's probably been over a year ago. I took a class from Ken Honda, who wrote this book, right? Happy Money. And I think it might have been one of the first classes he taught. It was super fun. It was on Zoom, so it was interactive and we could ask him questions. And I really like this book. I think it's a good energy of money book. But anyway, at the end, we did so Ken had like a thing where if you wrote about an essay or whatever, or just like about what you gained from the book, he had a little giveaway, and I did it just because I enjoyed the book and I wanted to give him some feedback. So I did that, and look, I won something. So let's open it together. So you can see it's from Ken Honda in Japan, and my son is in Japan right now, so I was really excited. I was like, oh, something different from Japan. So let's open it together, scissors in hand. So exciting. I've had this box here on my desk for a while because I was like, oh, I want to open it, but I want to do an unboxing video. So I've had it for a while, but here we go. So opening it up. Oh, it's beautiful. Whatever is inside is beautiful. Oh, some cherry blossom stickers, which I love. Love stickers, love cherry blossoms. So that's beautiful. And then it's, I don't know what it is, but it's leather bound. And it says, live your dreams, Ken Honda. Love it. It is a box. It is a box in a box. This is beautiful. Truly it is. It says, live your dreams, Ken Honda. And it also has the same thing on the end. So, God, I'm so glad I'm doing this on video. And oh, look at it. It is beautiful. It's a silver coin. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. It's a Liberty dollar, Liberty silver coin, 1 ounce silver coin. Beautiful. Really great for these times too. And books. Oh, it's another book. Beautiful. And a pen that says, live your dreams, Ken Honda. So let me open up the pen and we can see what it is together. Comes in a beautiful silver thing and it opens up on the end here. It's a beautiful blue pen and it says, live your dreams, Ken Honda. And yeah, it's a twist pen. Very nice. Someone's got a new journaling pen. So I'm going to put that neatly away. And it is a book. Oh, it's personally autographed by Ken Honda. It says, to Lori Phoebus, in Japanese, ta ka. Wish I could read better in Japanese. Should have studied at school a little harder. Thank you, Ken Honda. And then there is a note. So that's Ken Honda, by the way. And oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is so awesome. It's a letter from Ken. So it says, Dear Lori Phoebus, I would personally thank you once again for being a part of the Shift Network's Happy Money course and essay contest. I apologize for the delay in our team in contacting the winning contestants. Shipping from Japan to other parts of the world has been difficult due to the COVID-19 and what's happening globally now. And for a long time, we were unable to mail anything from Japan. As of the time of this writing, Australia has banned incoming shipments altogether, and many countries have restrictions in place on small packages. However, the United States is allowing shipments at this time, and although the Postal Service can't guarantee the exact timing when something will arrive, we're still going to try. enclosed in this package, you will find an autographed copy of Happy Money and a silver coin. The coin is a symbol of my gratitude to you, and I hope you will be blessed with an abundance of happiness and prosperity in your life as you continue to spread those blessings to the people in your life as well. Since the launch of my book last year, it has been translated and published into more than 30 countries. You can read it in German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, Korean, Vietnamese, Thai, and Arabic. Not to mention, of course, English and Japanese. Thanks to your support, it is truly an international phenomenon now. I am deeply grateful for your participation, and I look forward to the next time our paths meet again. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones during this time of uncertainty. Warmest regards, Ken Honda. And then it says thank you there on the bottom, Ken Honda. And that's the letter. So I am so grateful to Ken Honda. Arigato. So I am going to put this special edition, the Ken Honda back into the beautiful box that it came in, with the beautiful gifts that it came in. So I'm going to put it all back in the beautiful box, the book, the pen, the coin, and then the all-important cherry blossom. Yeah, so appreciative, but so glad we could do this together. And again, yeah, it was from Ken Honda there. So grateful. I may even send him a video of this, being so grateful. And I just, again, want to, this is my copy of the book that I got before the special copy, but it's a great book. It's an easy read. It's fun. And I would say do it if you want some happy money. Alrighty, we'll see you soon.